Welcome to our health and wellness channel. In this channel you'll find some great skincare, anti-aging, fitness tips and other health-related information that can be beneficial to all viewers. Here you'll find various home-made remedies, weight loss tips and exercise videos. Today, we're diving into a transformative journey with a yoga workout designed specifically for weight loss. These fat-burning routines can be done right at home, making it accessible for everyone. Which type of yoga burns the most calories? When it comes to weight loss, yoga is often overlooked in favor of more intense cardio workouts. However, the reality is that certain styles of yoga can be incredibly effective at burning calories and shedding unwanted fat. Yoga is not just about relaxation, it can also be a powerful tool for weight loss. By combining movement, breath, and mindfulness, we can ignite our metabolism and promote fat burning. Yoga is often associated with flexibility, mindfulness, and stress reduction, but its ability to support weight loss is equally impressive. The key lies in the multifaceted nature of yoga, which addresses the physical, mental, and emotional aspects of well-being. At the physical level, certain styles of yoga, such as vinyasa and ashtanga, can be as demanding as high-intensity interval training workouts. These dynamic practices involve rapid transitions between postures, keeping your heart rate elevated and your muscles engaged throughout the session. This sustained calorie burn not only helps you shed excess fat but also builds lean muscle mass, further boosting your metabolism. At the physical level, certain styles of yoga, such as vinyasa and ashtanga, can be as demanding as high-intensity interval training, HIIT, workouts. These dynamic practices involve rapid transitions between postures, keeping your heart rate elevated and your muscles engaged throughout the session. This sustained calorie burn not only helps you shed excess fat but also builds lean muscle mass, further boosting your metabolism. Although, you should ask your doctor or some certified yoga practitioner if you have some chronic problem or pain in any part of your body. Some poses might be very vigorous and could do some harm to your already troubled muscle or body part if not practiced under guidance. Now, let us explore a popular fitness program that has caught the attention of many, Yoga Burn, that can help you to lose weight with yoga at home. The question on everyone's mind is, can you really lose weight with yoga? Let's explore this together. Yoga Burn is a unique, 3-phase yoga program designed specifically for women. Created by Zoe Bray Cotton, it combines traditional yoga poses with a dynamic flow to help you build strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. But, before we dive in, remember that it's crucial to buy Yoga Burn only from the official website to avoid fake products. The Yoga Burn official site is the only place where you can get genuine supplements, along with exclusive discounts and reliable support. For your convenience, I've included the link to the official Yoga Burn website in the description below. But how does it stack up when it comes to weight loss? Yoga can be an effective tool for weight loss, but it's important to understand how. While yoga may not burn as many calories as high-intensity workouts, it offers several benefits that can contribute to weight loss. 1. Increased mindfulness. Practicing yoga encourages mindfulness, which can lead to healthier eating habits and better food choices. 2. Stress reduction. Yoga helps reduce stress levels, which can decrease emotional eating and cravings. 3. Building muscle. The strength-building aspects of yoga can increase your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest. Many women have reported positive experiences with Yoga Burn. They've noted improvements in their strength, flexibility, and overall well-being. Some have even shared success stories of weight loss, attributing their results to the consistency and structure of the program. If you're considering Yoga Burn for weight loss, here are a few tips to maximize your results. 1. Stay consistent. Commit to the program and practice regularly to see the best results. 2. Combine with a balanced diet. Pair your yoga practice with a nutritious diet to enhance weight loss. 3. Listen to your body. Yoga is about connecting with yourself. Pay attention to your body's needs and adjust your practice accordingly. So, don't forget to click the link below to learn more and grab a Yoga Burn product before it sells out. and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future health tips and reviews. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to our health and wellness channel. Here we share informative and engaging health, nutrition, and wellness videos about what matters most to you. Our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and tools, greatest tips you need to live a healthy and balanced life and create inspirational videos to help you succeed in life. We cover a wide range of topics, including healthy eating habits, weight loss tips, exercises and workouts, mental and emotional well-being, and much more. We love reading all your comments and discussions. We really want the Health and Wellness YouTube channel to be a community of people who want to help each other. Tune in to our channel for regular updates, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health and wellness. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will be diving into the world of health and fitness.